Hello and welcome to another trustkey process execution tutorial. Trustkey is an innovative process execution platform designed to empower organizations to streamline their workflows, standardize and automate repetitive tasks, and optimize business processes for maximum efficiency, quality, and compliance. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to automated process execution, this tutorial will guide you through how to use the workflow automations in Trustkey to automate the delegation of actions and tasks. Let's dive in and discover the power of Trustkey together. In the Builder, we implement workflow automations. For today's example, we're incorporating automated delegations into our previously established project order process. Firstly, we need to add a shortcut to the template for the project order. Shortcuts in Trustkey function as preset templates, making it easy to quickly initiate repeating tasks and processes. Next, we'll add automations to the sections of the project order. In our use case, the project cost planning requires approval from the financial and compliance departments, as well as the execution management. To achieve this, we'll previously added 3 sections to our template, each equipped with a digital signature component for the respective department. Now, we'll set up delegation automations to facilitate the approval flow in use. We'll begin within the project cost planning section. This automation will automatically delegate the project order to Fritz, who works in the financial department, as soon as the cost planning progresses. Instead of individual persons, also entire groups can be applied for efficient delegation. After the financial department has signed the project order, the next step is to delegate it to Hannah, who is part of the compliance department. And finally, the project order will be delegated to Christian, our CEO. After setting the delegation automations, the next step is to ensure that Fritz, Hannah, and Christian are added as members of the project order when it is launched. In our use case, Christian is already a member of the shortcut, so we need to add Fritz and Hannah. Additionally, we'll restrict the editable parts of the project order for Fritz and Hannah to ensure that they can only sign off on what they are required to do. For Fritz, we ensure that he cannot edit the parts belonging to Hannah and Christian. For Hannah, we ensure that she cannot edit the parts belonging to Fritz and Christian. All set, we publish our shortcut. Now, let's see our new workflow in action. Emma, who works in order management, initiates the shortcut project order for planning and approval for new project work packages. She navigates to the action pack space and selects project order approval from the shortcut dropdown. On the launcher, she verifies the members automatically assigned to the action pack based on the shortcut configuration. Once everything looks good, she launches the action pack. As we can see, by default, the action pack is delegated to the launcher after being launched. Now, Emma begins to plan the new project work for approval. She links the action packs to the main project and launches sub-action packs for detailed cost planning. After completing the planning, Emma progresses her section by clicking Progress. Now, the action pack is automatically delegated to Fritz, as indicated at the top of the action pack. Fritz, notified by Trustkey, opens the action pack to review and sign the planning for the finance department. Using the signature automation with PN, he progresses his section. Subsequently, the action pack is now delegated to Hannah. Hannah, notified by Trustkey that Fritz has delegated this action pack to her, opens the action pack to review and sign the planning for the compliance department, also using the signature automation with Pinion. Subsequently, the action pack is now delegated to Christian. Following Fritz and Hannah's actions, Christian proceeds to review the planning and signs it using the signature automation. With all steps completed, Christian completes the action pack, leading to its automatic archiving. In this tutorial, we've learned how to add shortcuts to templates. We learned how to incorporate workflow automations into shortcut sections. Most importantly, we discovered how these functionalities can help save time and ensure compliance. We've reached the end of this tutorial. Be sure to explore our social media channels and visit our playbook on trustkey.eu for further insights into trustkey and automated process execution. Enjoy the process, and I'll see you next time.